Hi guys, we are Hey guys, today we are in
PH Nature Park. This one over here, we call this the silky chicken. Okay? And this black chicken, we call this the cemani chicken. You can find it in Indonesia. But it looks like it's already been hybrid with the other chicken. Okay, so over here you can find a tortoise, and inside the pond here you can see this is called a sulcata tortoise. It is the third largest species of tortoise in the world. Okay, over here we have an African grey parrot. Okay, do you know parrots are actually one of the most intelligent birds ever? Okay, be careful of their beaks. And you can teach them to do tricks and make different kinds. This is one of the most different. So over here we have the pigeon. We call this the cropper pigeon. It's different from other pigeons because if you see its leg, it has a lot of feathers. Okay. Okay, over here we have the porcupine. This particular porcupine you can find in Asia. Okay. Usually people think that the porcupine will shoot its quills when it is trying to defend itself. Actually it doesn't. It just expands its quills. See over there?
Oh, so it don't shoot.
No, it doesn't shoot. However, their quills are very sharp. So you must be careful. And they're actually really shy herbivores that only sleep throughout the day. They're usually active at night.
So that's all from us guys. Bye.